Happy Sunday, everyone. Awesome Headlights provides a free headlight restoration for veterans and first responders. Today, I am very honored for the rare opportunity to actually have both. We are here with Alec and his 2015 Subaru Forester.
That's right. Yeah, I was a Marine for 4 years, active duty. I was stationed in Camp Lejeune, North Carolina. I was in 2nd LAR, which is 2nd Light Armored Reconnaissance. After that, I decided to become a Portland police officer, which I've been doing for about 3 years now.
Awesome. I am humbled, and thank you for your service, and thank you for your service. So that's ×2.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
So, yeah, are you ready to see your headlight fixer-upper?
I am.
All right, let's do this.
Oh, wow. It's 100% different. Wow.
Bam!
That is really impressive.
Thank you.
Wow.
They weren't too bad, just, yeah, see, the crow is talking to us. The crow is mentioning that they were not too bad, just some basic yellowing and cloudiness as a result of just oxidation that was on the outside. So they cleaned up pretty good, and there you go.
Oh, great. That's great. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, so...
Wow.
Yeah, I try to, there's 3 boxes I try to check. One is to make them look better. Got it. Number 2, I want to, not so much in your case, but we want to delay the time before you would have to buy new ones. Not so much in this case, but most of all, number 3, I want you safe when you're driving at night. And these were almost, but not quite, getting to where they're probably affecting your night driving. Maybe they were.
100%.
Yeah, so
I appreciate it.
Anyway, thank you for your service again and humoring me, and we are out.